Welcome back to MarketPulse USA United States. In this video, I'll give you the latest US market update, including key SPY and QQQ levels, today's market drivers from earnings and economic news, plus setups on top stocks like Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Market context. Markets traded mixed but generally higher today as investors reacted to a wave of corporate earnings and prepared for coming Federal Reserve signals. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both rose, while the Dow lagged as health insurers weakened on policy news, dragging the average lower. Big tech earnings remained the centerpiece of this week's trading, with results from Meta, Microsoft, Tesla, and Apple approaching. That's helping keep sentiment constructive despite sector rotations. At the same time, investors are balancing macro concerns, including Fed policy and political risk, with strong earnings helping underpin the market. Number 2. Key index levels, SPY and QQQ. Now let's talk exact levels for SPY and QQQ. These are the key levels you'll want to watch for tomorrow. SPY, S&P 500 ETF. Near-term support, 6860 to 6850. Buyers need to defend this zone. Resistance, 6900 to 6960. Above that we may see renewed upside toward all-time highs. Current trend, sideways to slightly bullish as earnings season supports the market. QQQ, Nasdaq 100 ETF. Support, 620 to 616. Watch this to hold for tech strength. Resistance, 628 to 632. Breakout above this zone signals continuation. Trend bias. Tech leadership remains intact, but profit-taking could occur near resistance. These general ranges reflect current price action and trend zones traders are watching. Number 3. Market drivers, news plus earnings. Today's market action was heavily influenced by corporate earnings reactions and macro news. Healthcare stocks, including United Health and Humana, sold off sharply on disappointing policy proposals, weighing on the Dow. On the bullish side, tech and growth sectors held up better as markets priced in strong earnings expectations from megacaps, and small-cap indexes showed relative strength. Investors are now focused on results from Meta, Microsoft, Tesla, and Apple later this week, a major catalyst for next week's market direction. Number 4. Top stocks to watch. Let's break down a few names that matter for tomorrow. Tesla remains extremely sensitive to earnings sentiment. If guidance beats expectations, we could see a breakout. If not, volatility will increase. Apple's services division momentum and expectations around product announcements are keeping traders bullish, but key levels must hold for continuation. Nvidia continues to be the bellwether for tech. It's driven by AI demand, and any guidance shift here often impacts the broader Nasdaq. These names also drive flows into QQQ, so watch how they behave around earnings and key technical levels. Number 5. Trading psychology plus risk rule. Here's a reminder. Don't react to headlines, trade price action. Even though earnings expectations are building, you should wait for confirmation at your levels before putting on big positions. Emotional trading around news spikes is often how traders lose money. Use your confirmation indicators like RSI above 50 and MACD crossover aligned with price bouncing off major support. Those are cleaner setups. Number 6. Beginner lesson. A quick beginner lesson for this week. Bullish engulfing at support. A strong reversal candle at support tells you bulls are defending that level. RSI plus MACD confirmation. RSI above 50 and a bullish MACD crossover adds confidence to your entry. Combine these with your watch levels for a more disciplined approach. That's how pros trade. That's the latest US market update for today. Indices, earnings drivers, and top stocks to watch. If you want daily SPY and QQQ levels, top movers, and clean setups, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell on MarketPulse USA. Trade smart, respect risk, and I'll see you in the next update. Not financial advice.